In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do double exposure in Canva. Double exposure is a creative technique that combines two images to produce a compelling layered look. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, Canva provides a user-friendly interface to explore this artistic effect without much hassle. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to achieve this effect. First, open Canva in your preferred web browser. If you're not logged in, make sure to sign into your account for full access. Once you're on the dashboard, choose a template. You can start from scratch or pick a preset design. For this tutorial, feel free to select any template that suits the vibe you're aiming for. After you've selected a template, choose your preferred template size. This could be anything from a social media post size to a larger print document. Now, look towards the left sidebar and click on Uploads. This is where you'll bring in the photos you want to play around with. Start by inserting the first image. This will usually be your background layer, setting the canvas for your double exposure. Resize your image to fill the spaces necessary, and adjust the position to get the desired look. Next, insert your second image. This photo will interact with the background, blending in to create that stunning overlay effect. Just like before, resize and reposition it so it aligns perfectly with the first image. It helps to visualize how the two images complement each other before proceeding to blend them. Click on the Apps option from the sidebar again and search for Image Blender. Selecting this tool will open up options for blending modes. Experiment with these options as they control how your images interact. Hover over blend modes like Multiply, Overlay, and Screen to see real-time changes. When you find a mode that achieves your desired effect, click on the circle point to adjust the blending position. Drag it around to see how varying the focus point changes your arrangement. Now, to fine-tune, adjust the strength of the blend effect. This action refines how much of each image is visible in the final piece. Once satisfied, click Save to secure your progress. For more enhancement, re-add the second image by repeating the initial steps, resize and align it for additional layers or effects. Continue with minor adjustments, utilizing the linear option under Image Blender for nuanced blending. This may involve adjusting the strength level again or shifting the circle point to explore new directions and blending outcomes. If highlights or additional refinement is needed, use the highlight adjustment to further polish your double exposure image. Drag the point from left to right, watching closely as your creativity manifests. Finally, after completing these steps, save your work. With that, you've successfully learned how to create a double exposure image in Canva. Enjoy exploring this artistic technique further with various images and settings.